Hi friends, today I made a bitter gourd recipe for you. Bitter gourd is helps in reducing blood sugar level of human body. It has a cancer fighting properties. Bitter gourd could decreases cholesterol level of human body. Bitter gourd contains a train of important nutrients ranging from iron, magnesium and vitamin to potassium and vitamin C. Bitter gourd has a compound that functions similar to insulin. In fact, bitter gourd are often combined together in reduce the blood glucose level in both diabetes 1 and diabetic 2. Bitter gourd is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C, which are good for the skin. It reduces aging and fights acne and skin blemishes. It is useful in treating various skin infections like ringworm and itching. Bitter gourd juice add luster to the hair and combat dandruff, hair losses and split ends. Bitter gourd is liver friendly and detoxified. It boosts the liver enzymes and is a good cure for a hangover as it reduces alcohol deposits on the liver. A glass of bitter gourd juice is so effective that diabetic patients need to reduce the dosage of their medicines. A bitter gourd is full of fiber and helps improve bowel movement. It relieves constipation and settles the stomach of human body. Bitter gourd boosts immunity and prevents allergies and infections, but its for significant benefits is that it fights cancer. It works against cancer cells proliferation and stops formation. The risk of breast, colon and prostate cancer is significantly reduced after regular consumption of bitter gourd. Bitter gourd has a high amount of antioxidant and this helps it to cure many problems related to corrupted blood. Regular consumption of bitter gourd leads to improvement in skin, hair and cancer problems. Also it helps to improve blood circulation of human body. So friends, without wasting a time, I make a bitter gourd recipe. A mixture of cumin, cinnamon, cardamom and coriander, tomatoes, ginger, green chilies, garlic, turmeric powder, iodine salt, onions and mustard oil according to your use. Now remove the unwanted parts of bitter gourd or scrap. Bitter gourd helps in reducing blood sugar level of human body and it decreases cholesterol level of human body. Bitter gourd helps in reducing blood sugar level of human body. Now take a pan and add a 15-gram mustard oil in a pan and warm for 5 minutes. Now fry the bitter gourd. When the color changes into deep brown, it means bitter gourd well fried. Bitter gourd is a compound that functions similar to insulin. Bitter gourd are combined together. It reduces the blood glucose level in both type 1 and 2 diabetics. Bitter gourd boosts immunity and prevent allergies. Bitter gourd is rich in antioxidant and vitamin A and C, which are good for the skin, and it reduces aging and fight acne and skin blemishes. When color changes into deep brown, it means bitter gourd is well fried. Bitter gourd is liver friendly and detoxifies, and it boosts the liver enzymes and is a good cure for the hangover as a reduced alcohol deposits on the liver. Now color is changes into deep brown. Ingredients are iodine salt according to your taste, turmeric powder 2 tablespoons, onion, tomatoes, garlic according to your use. A mixture of cummins, garlic, coriander, cardamom and cloves are used in this gravy. Add cut pieces of garlic in a warm mustard oil and mix gently all the material. Bitter gourd has a high amount of antioxidants and helps for skin and hair. Somebody did not like bitter gourd, but it is very good for human body. Cook for 2 minutes. Bitter gourd helps in purifying our blood. Add chopped onions in a pan and cooks for 2 or 3 minutes. Bitter gourd has a high amount of antioxidant, and this helps it to cure many problems related to corrupted blood. Regular consumption of bitter gourd leads to improvement in skin, hair and cancer problems. Also, it helps to improve blood circulation. Keep warming for 3 minutes all the ingredients. Add turmeric powder 2 tablespoons, iodine salt 2 tablespoons, green chilies 1 piece. Mix all the ingredients gently. Add the cut pieces of tomatoes in a pan and cooked for 3 to 4 minutes and cooked for 4 to 5 minutes. Now our bitter gourd gravy is ready. Now filling a fried bitter gourd by tasty gravy. Bitter gourd is full of fiber and helps improves and relieves from constipation and settles the stomach. Bitter gourd has a cancer fighting properties. Bitter gourd could decrease cholesterol level of human body. Bitter gourd is good for skin and hair of our body. Bitter gourd boosts immunity and prevent allergic and infection, but its most significant benefits is that it fights cancer and it works against cancer cells. Now our bitter gourd is ready to serve with some wheat flour chapatis. A glass of bitter gourd juice is so effective that diabetic patients need to reduce the dosage of their medicine. Thank you very much for watching Parvinder Singh Cooking.